I'm going to teach you how to use tagbot. Here is tagbot. So this is, you should be seeing what I see. You can see a preview by hitting make code and then preview. So there's your file. So here's an item that you might want to be adding the template to. So the first thing I like to do is copy the title. Just highlight it, copy, go back to tagbot, and paste in the listing title input area. Next, you want to get the images. The image URLs you can get from eBay, or if you're using your own server, you can get them from your server. I'm going to get them from eBay right now. So what you want to do is click on the image, right click, open image in new tab, go to the new tab and copy this URL up here. And then you can X out of here, go back to tagbot, and delete what is here and just paste the image URL. If you have more than one image, you check these boxes, go back to eBay, go to the next image, right click, open image in new tab, and then you just do this for however many images you have. And then once that is done, you can scroll down. Here you have your specifications for this item. You don't really have any specifications that I can tell. You just kind of have a list of bullet points. So if you're not using a specification, just close that off right there. If you are, you just check the box. The description looks like, I'm just going to assume it's this whole area just to show you how it works. So I'm going to just copy this area and go back to tagbot, and this is where the short description goes, and this is where the long description goes. It looks like you might want to be using the bullet points in the short description. So you can hit this plus sign right here, and it will open up this box like this. And I'm going to go back to eBay and just copy the bullets here. And this is correct. So basically, bullet points go inside these ULs here. So this is the list you have. So if you're making a brand new list, you would put that at the top, /UL at the bottom. And actually, first I should have clicked this plus sign. I'm just going to paste what I had there. And then you can highlight and click the dot with the line, and it will add the LIs to it already for you. Alright, I'll just do a couple of these. Okay. I'll leave that there, and I'll delete this. And then you hit OK, and it will show up right here. For the long description, let me get that from eBay. So basically you just can paste it in here and then format it how you want it. So highlight it. This is one paragraph. This is another paragraph. Another paragraph. So basically anything that's a paragraph, you can just highlight there and then hit that P. And I did notice that you had some things bolded and some things not bolded. This is just on the second line, so for that you just you can hit this right here and it adds a break. And if you want another one, just hit it again. So on eBay, it looks like you had this by itself in red. So in tagbot, it was free shipping to lower 48 states. So let me find where that is. Here it is here. So in eBay, you had it by yourself. So what I'm going to do there is just add a couple breaks, and then I'm going to highlight it, hit this right here, make it red, and you want it bigger, so I'm going to hit the plus sign, and then I'll make it bold as well. So you can kind of do that for any of anything in here. You can make this bold. This is bold, and I think you also had that by itself. So I'm going to add a break here. I'm going to add 2, and then once you're done editing, you would just hit OK, and then it will drop all that code in there. Your terms of sale, it looks like they're done, except for your warranty. I did notice as I went back to tagbot, you had this text here, so I'm going to highlight this, go back to the listing short description and put it above, and I'm going to make it a paragraph, and I think you had this red, so I'm going to make that red, and then you just hit OK. And I'm going to just delete that space to keep it nice and neat. Same here. You don't have to do that, but sometimes I like to do it just to keep it neat. And then, so once everything looks good, you just hit make code, and then you can hit preview, and you can see how it looks. Here's your description. You can take a look at it, make sure everything looks good. Here's your terms of sale. So everything looks good to me. So then what you would do is you would select all, right click, cut, go back to eBay, scroll up, and you'll see the revise your item button. Click that. Scroll down to the description, and you can see the old description is there. So you want to hit this HTML tab and Control A on your keyboard and hit delete. Control A selects all, and then you want to Control V to paste the new template, and then if you hit standard, you will see the template. And then once you're done that, you just hit update listing, and I'm not going to hit it just because I didn't put all the images in there, but you would hit update listing, and then it would make it live on the item on eBay.